Keep that milling machine straight on the line.
Yeah.
Bring the truck in closer now. Watch the edge, let's keep it clean. Watch the left side.
Yep.
Back it up right here, keep rolling.
Check the grade on the left side. Holding steady at 2 inches. Bring the roller forward.
Slow it down, one more pass on this side.
Okay, so.
All right, bringing it in slowly now.
All right, the sweeper's cleared the debris. Looks ready for traffic. Just need to confirm the asphalt depth on this section.
Inspection complete. The repairs meet all standards.
All right, let's pack it up and open the lane.